Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Going Guitar. A nice song for you from Ozuna and Beele. This one is called Seve. I must confess, I don't understand a word from this song. I don't even know what the title means. And sometimes you don't have to care. You just play because you love the song and the vibe and you just love to play. And that's the case here. Let's learn to play Seve with capo. I'm not sure what that's even called either. Sorry. Anyway, capo on 6. And what we're going to learn here is 3 chords, okay? So 3 simple chords. That's the use of capo. We can adjust that to find the easiest scenario possible. So let's learn the chords, the melody and the strumming, all that good stuff, and then just play. So let's put that on there on the 6th fret and learn first F. So F is a bar chord. You place index finger on the 1st fret. You push down all strings there. Then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd D, and 2nd G. Next chord is A minor. And A minor goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And finally we have the G. 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. Alright, so there we have the 3 chords in that order through the entire song. Now let's go into the melody first. We're starting chord by chord with F now. So you can hold the full bar chord if you want to. I don't do that because you don't need to bar everything. For this melody part, it's enough to just hold with that index finger on the 1st fret E string, okay? The bass there. Then the rest needs to be there, so you're gonna add the other fingers like this, as if you would play the full chord, but you don't have the bar. You just have that index on 1st E, okay? Then you want to play this. Okay, so 1st fret E string, 3rd A, 2nd G, and 3rd D. Then a short pause, and then you play again, 2nd G, and 3rd D. So. That, okay? So once you play that F, you're gonna go into the A minor and you hold the chord as it is. You're gonna play very simple, open A, 2nd D, 1st B, and 2nd G. And then you go to the G chord and play. Hold just the 3rd fret E string here for the melody, it's enough. So 3rd E, open D, open B, and open G. And that's it. So F, A minor, and G sounds like this slowly. Standard tempo. And you can keep on doing that from the beginning until the end. But if you want to switch up with some strumming, we're going to learn that now. So if you grab the 1st chord, of course, now you need to hold the full chords as they are, F, A minor, and G. We have a 2-part strumming. And together, these parts sounds like this. Okay, so you're gonna start with part 1. Down, down, up, down. So down, down, up, down. Then a short pause, and then comes part 2, which is just 2 downs. Down, down. So together, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. That's one strumming round. Now, what you're going to play here for this song is F, one full round. That means part 1 and part 2. Then A minor, just part 1, the down, down, up, down. And the same for G, just part 1, down, down, up, down. You just roll that. So. You can just play with it like that, guys. So there you have it, both strumming, melody, all that good stuff to handle. Seve from Beele and Ozuna. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, you know what? Give me a like, comment, subscribe, be back. And yes, have a good life. Till next time, play tuned.